get visa sponsorship with these three nursing jobs in UK. In this video, I'm going to give you three websites where you can apply for nursing job in UK. So, if you're a nurse and you want to work in UK, this video is for you. Okay, so don't go anywhere. Okay, watch this video till the end. Okay, so let's go straight to the point. The first one is Beth High Healthcare NHS Foundation Trust Visa Sponsorship. Okay, so when you go to this website, they can offer you a job like mental health and well-being, physical and community health care, and children health care. So if you're a nurse and you want to work in UK, you can go to this website and apply it now. Okay, with visa sponsorship. Okay, so the next one also is Midland Partnership NHS Foundation Trust Complex Care Support Worker with visa sponsorship. This platform also, when you visit there, they will give you details or any information you need to know. Okay, so go there and then apply for your job in UK. Okay, and then the last one also is University Hospital Southern NHS Trust Senior Dental Nurse Visa Sponsorship. Okay, so this one also, if you're a dentist and then you want to work in UK, then there is a good news for you. Go to this website and then apply for your job now. Okay, with visa sponsorship. Okay, so these are the three websites you can apply for a nursing job in UK. Subscribe for more video. Here is Nursing Mirror channel.